We'll be looking at the union tools. And union, whether it is marriage, is coming together of two people to be one. And it is on mathematics, is combining one or two things into one family. So I'm just trying to be on the lighter note with the union tool and all that. So it's going to unite all of these things together. So that is what the union tool does. So when you go to geoprocessing, you come to union. Now you bring in the 3 layers we have here. You can be 3, can be more. So you bring all of them in, and let's go to our this. You see output future class. So you click, and then we already have a GIS training folder. So we'll just say union. Just say UN, and then I'm going to click on save. And I'll click OK. So watch what it will do. It's going to bring all the 3 A plus B plus C together. So that's what it just did. So when we remove this, we have A plus B plus C. So in recap, this is the last two. In recap, intercept will find the intercept of that is between these 3. Union will unite them. Merge will match them. Dissolve will make it into just one layer. So depending on what you want to use these tools for, these tools have a very fundamental role in GIS. So it depends on what you want to do. This is the end of this modules. I will see you in the next module. So we're moving into module 9. But thank you for staying tuned for those modules, and I'll be releasing your course assignment soon.